Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Avalara, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Avalara website by typing www.avalara.com and press the enter key to access the home page. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to open the login page. In the login form, enter your registered email address in the first field. Type your password in the second field. If you want the browser to remember your login information, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is entered, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Avalara dashboard. If you receive an error message, double-check your email and password for any mistakes. In case you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your password, ensuring you can regain access. After successfully logging in, explore the dashboard features available to you. Use the menu options to navigate through different functionalities as needed. Close the browser when you are finished, ensuring to log out if you are on a shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.